Republicans have just won a major victory at the Supreme Court over a controversial new congressional map in the state of Alabama. Now, the voting rights advocates say the Republican-drawn map dilutes the power of black voters and violates federal law. But that is not how a majority of the justices saw it. Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court with more on the story. Jan, good morning. The justices have spoken.
They have for now, Gayle. I mean, the court is siding with state Republicans and said it was just too close to Alabama's election. Absentee voting is starting in just 7 weeks to completely redraw the state's legislative district. So that means the Republican-drawn map will stay in place this year with just one black majority district in a state where black people make up 27% of the population. The 5 conservative justices voted to block a lower court ruling that had ordered the state to draw a new map. Justice Brett Kavanaugh explained it's one thing for a state on its own to toy with election laws, but it's quite another thing for a federal court to swoop in and redo a state's election laws in the period close to an election. But dissenting Justice Elena Kagan wrote, Alabama is not entitled to keep violating black Alabamians' voting rights just because the court's order came down in the first month of an election year. Now, Chief Justice John Roberts and the 3 liberal justices would have allowed a new court-ordered map with 2 black majority districts to stand while the legal challenge continues. And with the court already agreeing to take on an affirmative action case next year in university admissions, this means 2 racially charged issues are certain to be at the forefront of those confirmation hearings for the new justice, which President Biden has said will be a black woman. Tony?
Jan, thank you very much.